Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to pay for Xbox content using Apple Pay. While you cannot directly select Apple Pay on your Xbox console, there is a straightforward and secure workaround. We will explore the current payment methods accepted by Xbox and then detail the best approach to leverage Apple Pay for your game, subscription, or in-game purchases. This method ensures you can still use your preferred payment service. Xbox purchases are processed through the Microsoft Store, which has its own set of accepted payment methods. These typically include major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, along with digital wallets such as PayPal. Unfortunately, Apple Pay is not directly integrated into the Xbox payment system or the Microsoft website as a native option. This means you won't find it listed when trying to add a new payment method on your console. The most effective way to use Apple Pay for Xbox purchases is through Xbox gift cards. You can buy these digital gift cards from various online retailers, such as eGifter or Dundle, which readily accept Apple Pay as a payment option. Once purchased, you will receive a 25-character code. Simply redeem this code on your Xbox console or through your Microsoft account online, and the funds will be added to your balance, ready for any purchase. Another viable option, if you possess an Apple Card, is to use it as a traditional credit card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap your Apple Card, and then access the card information. You can then manually enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code directly into your Xbox payment settings. This allows you to utilize your Apple Card for purchases, just like any other credit or debit card.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.